Let's take a Minnesota minute.
It's really easy to get involved. All you have to do is care.
Standing atop this bluff, it's hard to believe you are just minutes from the heart of the Twin Cities. It's even harder to believe that at one time, this was an industrial waste dump for an oil refinery.
This whole area was owned by the people who started the refinery. They actually used parts of it as a dump site for some of their waste products.
Working with his neighbors, Tom Bell helped to preserve Gray Cloud Island's scientific and natural area for future generations.
If there's some things that you want preserved, it's only right that you should work for it. Like I said, it's easy to be involved.
Take a Minnesota minute. Protect our natural world for tomorrow.